Welcome back to another video. This video is a bit different than all the others. Everything else has been repairs and unboxings, and I have unboxed a lot of phones. I figured why not do a phone collection that I have. I want to start from the most important ones. So this is the OnePlus Nord that I repaired recently, and I use it as my daily driver. And as you can see, it's already broken, but yeah, I use this phone daily. Let's put it back here because I don't think we're gonna have a lot of room. This is a Xiaomi Redmi 6, and this is the phone that I used to daily drive before this one. It still works, I still use it. But yeah, this was my previous daily driver. And even before that, Doogee X5 Pro. It broke, it stopped charging. Now let's start with a couple of different items that are not phones but are part of the collection. First is this Galaxy Watch. Samsung Galaxy Watch, I don't know which model exactly, but I found this in a lake underwater while diving. And a U-Band B1 Pro, which I also found underwater. So both of these devices are waterproof, but they are dead. Then we have these two iPads, first gen, which you will remember from the iPad lot that I unboxed. I scrapped the rest for parts, but I kept these two complete. This one even has a screen. I have a screen for this one somewhere, it's just not on. This Blueberry, which is completely destroyed. I just found it interesting because it has a physical keyboard and I've never seen a phone with it. The Android phones. So this is an old Lenovo phone. I just kept this one because it's a phone my friend used to daily drive years ago, and this is not the exact phone, but this is the same model. Then I have this Xiaomi Redmi 8T. It has a broken back, which I broke while opening it, that's my fault, but it also has a dead screen. Then I have a Vivo V21 with no screen because it was broken, and I didn't find any parts, so I didn't know what to do with it, so I made the back clear, and now it's just been laying here for months. I don't think I'll work on it. Then I have this Rocket Blackview. I don't know what model this is, but I did repair this one. It's fully working, and I'm selling this one currently. Then I have this Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, I think it is, that I did a full restoration on. I unfortunately didn't film it, but I replaced the back glass, the display. It was completely destroyed. Vivo Y31. This was an attempted restoration. It has a new display, but the display was with the frame, and the frame was bad, so the camera didn't fit. I attempted to modify it to make it fit, but it didn't work. I broke the camera, I broke a lot of stuff. This is a shameful phone. I don't like this one. I don't even like looking at it. Vivo Y11s, which is another phone that I did a full restoration on. It's on, it works. It has a screen protector. There's a protective foil. I just kept that on. And yeah, I am also selling this phone. I did a restoration on that one. Samsung A52s. Again, working. Currently selling it. Then I have these two Samsung. That's an Samsung A12 and an A14. Both of these are working, but they're dead. I did a restoration on this one, and I got this one fully working. I swapped this one for another phone, so I'm selling both of these. that's it for the Androids. Now let's go to the iPhones, and I think I'll have to make some space. I have these 4Ss that are from my personal collection. I got them as a gift. I will not be selling these are a keep. I think one of them is working. I don't have a battery. And then I have another 7 4s and 4Ss. 6 of them are black, 1 is white. I am getting rid of these. Yeah, some of them are in perfect condition. I lost the back glass to the white one. It wasn't attached and I can't find it, unfortunately. But yeah, some of these are in pristine condition. Put them here. One batch of iPhone 5s, 5Ss and SEs. This is 9 phones. Most of them are space gray. One is gold, one black. These are in a pretty rough shape. Most of them are missing parts, broken screens. Yeah. I'm also not keeping these. Then there are 6 more 5Ss and SEs. These are in way better shape. These should be complete. Most of these are working, but iCloud locked, and as you can see, they're in much better condition. Then I have 6 iPhone 6s and 6Ss. 3 of these sound hollow, as you can hear. These 3 have screens. These 3 are just missing a battery and a screen. I'm also not keeping any of these 6s. I'm gonna get rid of them. Yeah, they're also in a rougher shape. Then I have 7 iPhone 7s. 2 of these are matte black. These are in various conditions. One of these is working with a bad home button. I don't remember the rest, but I'm keeping, I think, 2 of these. They look pretty good, except this one is dented. I have an iPhone 8 with a Logic board short. It has a good screen. It's cracked, but it's good. I'm keeping this one for parts if I get to work on another 8. I have an iPhone 8 Plus. There is tape on the back of it because the glass is broken and it was falling out. And this one is missing a battery and a screen. I have no idea what condition it's in because I don't want to buy battery and screen just for that, so I'm selling this one. Then I have whatever this is. This is an SE 2020 with the tape as well because it's very broken. This one has a Logic board in it, but nothing else. And I had one more. This is the Logic board from it, but the housing was so bad that I just completely broke it apart and kept this frame because I thought it was pretty cool. And last but not least, I have these 4 iPhone 10s. This one is black, back a little cracked, but I still put tape on it. It's boot looping. It's missing a lot of stuff. This iPhone, the housing looks pretty good, so it was cracked, so I removed the glass, and I'm planning on buying a glass replacement and putting it on it. And this iPhone X white, which is cracked from both sides. The screen has a green line on it, and it's iCloud locked. And also I broke the power button, so that doesn't work. And this housing that's almost empty, I have the Logic board somewhere. It's just not in here. And the housing also looks pretty good. It doesn't have the glass, so I'm also planning on buying a replacement because it's mint. There are no scratches whatsoever. It's this box of just parts. There's pretty much everything here. See these little bags? This is the Logic board from that iPhone 10. If various parts, some batteries, And I also have this JCID programmer. That's also worth mentioning. Okay, so that is it. That's my beginning of 2024 phone collection. I don't know when I will edit this video because I'm very busy, but I wanted to do a little start of the year collection. Let's hope this collection grows, and thank you for watching. Bye.